आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, now we are going to understand about this question, and our question says, what is primary productivity and why does it vary in different types of ecosystem? Okay, and the second part of question is says, state the relation between gross and net primary productivity. Okay, so as we know that the primary productivity, first of all, the primary productivity as the term suggests, primary productivity, that means the things which is produced at the very first. Okay, the primary productivity. So we know that the primary productivity is it is the amount of biomass which is produced from the plant, okay, which produced by plants by the help of photosynthesis. Right? So this is the proper definition of primary productivity. Okay, and one more thing is about the primary productivity. This amount of biomass is produced in a specific area and a specific time period. Okay, now this primary productivity, it is depend on the species of plant, it is also depends on the nutrient availability, and it is also depends on the photosynthesis capacity of plant. Okay, photosynthetic capacity of plants, right? So these three are the basic factors. Okay, that is why we can see that the primary productivity is vary in different types of ecosystem. Okay, this is the reason behind it. So now the next part of question is says, state the relationship between gross and net primary productivity. So firstly understand about this is the second part, this one is first part. The second part is the firstly understand about the gross primary productivity. So we know that the gross primary productivity is the total amount of biomass produced per unit area in a certain time. Okay, and the net primary productivity is the total gross primary productivity minus R, that means is respiratory losses, okay, after the respiration, which amount is remain, this amount is known as the net primary productivity. Okay, if I draw in a equation form, if I write this thing in a equation form, so it is shown as equals to minus R. The PN is showing net primary productivity, PG is denoted gross primary productivity, and R is respiratory loss. Okay, so this is the equation of relationship between net primary productivity and gross primary productivity. Okay, so now our answer is complete here. Okay, so hope you understand well, guys. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।